Why most tech professionals stop growing. Even while learning more, most tech professionals work hard, keep upgrading skills, and still feel stuck. Not stuck in effort. Stuck in growth. It's not because they aren't smart. It's because they're growing in the wrong direction. Let's break down what actually limits progress in tech, and what unlocks real career momentum. Section 1, the skill accumulation trap. Most professionals focus on tools, certifications, frameworks, short courses. This creates horizontal growth. More skills, same influence. You know more, but your role stays the same. Organizations don't advance people just for knowing tools. They advance people who shape outcomes. Section 2, execution versus ownership. When growth stalls, you execute tasks, you follow tickets, you wait for clarity. When growth accelerates, you design solutions, you make trade-offs, you own results. This invisible shift, from executor to owner, is where most careers pause. Section 3, the system-level mindset. High-impact professionals think in terms of cost, scalability, security, reliability, risk, not just, which tool should I use? This is why roles focused on architecture, platforms, and systems evolve faster and carry broader influence. Section 4, why learning alone doesn't fix it. Most learning teaches what exists, how to use it. Real-world roles demand why this over that, what fails under pressure, how trade-offs are justified, how decisions affect the business. The gap between knowledge and judgment is where growth slows. Section 5, what actually unlocks career growth. Real progress comes when you think in systems, not tasks, understand business impact, design end-to-end flows, take responsibility beyond code. This isn't harder work. It's different thinking. CTA, soft, high trust. If you want to move beyond tool-based learning and into system-level roles, structured career paths matter. At Uplatz, we focus on real-world decision-making, ownership, and system thinking, not just adding more skills. Because growth in tech isn't about learning more. It's about thinking differently.